crying little.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing y'all some clip-ins. I got some kinky straight clip-ins from CutiePieTresses, and so I got some kinky straight 18-inch clip-ins from CutiePieTresses. It comes in this cute little bag, and here's what they look like. They feel super soft. They do have a smell. But it recommends that you wash them before you put them in your hair. So they have this little like guide to tell you like how to wash them, how to take care of them and all of that. It even gives you like not instructions, but I guess advice on how to color them and all of that. So all of this comes in the package. It also comes with some very nice mink lashes, so that's cute. And then it comes with some extra like clips, and then also, you know, like cards, business cards and stuff. So all of the information will be in the description box below. But I'm super excited. Like these are like, they have body, and it really mimics like blown out natural hair. So hopefully I can get my hair to blend. My hair is this length, so much shorter than this, so we'll see if I can get them to blend. It looks like a very full head of hair, so let's get started. Wow, this is so thick. So this is what the clips look like and the wefts. Super cute, and they are like a natural brown color. I don't know if you can tell. Not natural, it's just brown to me. I would say 1B, but it's more brown than 1B, and I don't know if you can tell on here, but yeah. So hopefully it matches my hair, because my hair is like a 1B right now. There are two. These have two clips, and they're like smaller, and then these are a little bit longer, but they still have two clips on them. So it's these and then these with like an extra space in the middle, and then it comes with two that has 4. It comes with two that have 5. And then it comes with 2 that has 3 on it. In the back, I am spreading it out a lot more because I want it to be fuller at the top so that my hair blends a lot better. So I'm only putting 2 in this little back section, and then I'm gonna keep moving forward But before I do that, I'm going to flat iron my hair with the extensions just so that it blends a little bit better, because you can see like the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to continue. So the flat iron that I'm using, I don't know if this matters, but it's the FHI Heat, and I like it. I've had it for years and it still looks brand new, which I don't flat iron my hair all the time, but I like it. It does pretty good. I'm just going to take my hair with the extension and comb it with this wide tooth comb that has hair all in it. Ooh, chair, I just combed my hair. Why it's so nappy? So it kind of flattened it out. My hair is not heat trained at all, so it's gonna take me like 17 passes to get it super straight. So I'm gonna just go through and just like smooth it out. Make sure it's not sticking out or anything.
Ryan Little.
And I also do not want to apply the clip-in all the way to the front, because then you'll be able to see it. So it stops about here. And if I need to, then I can go back in and add like some of the ones that only have 2, and it can blend. I could do a little pony. Look how good this like blends. You can't even tell. Oh, y'all, what? I was so like, I was kind of nervous that my natural hair wouldn't blend, but look at this. You cannot tell where my hair ends and the extension begins. Like, oh my God, look at this. I could do a little pony. Like, you really cannot tell. Okay, I'm wearing these every day. Like, y'all, this hair is super cute. Matches very perfectly with my hair. And I really liked the length of the wefts. Like, it matched perfectly. So I've used clip-ins before and I've had to like trim them and customize it to my hair, but these, they fit perfectly. As you can see, my natural hair does not respond to heat very well, but it did perfect for this like style, because it's just like a blown out style, which I love, and I'm gonna be wearing this every day. When I don't feel like styling my hair, I can definitely just put these clip-ins in and go. So everything will be listed in the description box below if you want to purchase this hair. I recommend it if you have natural hair and you want protective styles. You just want something that matches your texture, which is hard to find. Definitely check out CutiePieTresses. I give this hair so far a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm super impressed that my hair blended so well with this, and that the hair is just so like soft and fluffy, like, and it has body. So, and I can't stop touching it. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Also, I have an announcement coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.